Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm bringing you my top 5 beauty hacks for skin over 40. A few days ago, I left a poll on my Instagram as well as my Snapchat, and you guys overwhelmingly voted for this video to go up next. So, as promised, I'm bringing it to you right now. I'm hoping you're loving the new visual. We finally moved into my new home, so this is going to be the backdrop that you guys will see from this point forward or as progress continues. If you'll see my sign that says bless this mess, because you know when you move, it's always a mess somewhere, but especially in a makeup room. So make sure you comment down below if you're loving this new backdrop. I would love to hear your comments. What is the lighting like? Was there too much of an echo? Comment down below. But for now, if you clicked on this video to see my top 5 beauty hacks for skin over 40, just keep on watching. One of my favorite beauty hacks for skin over 40 is applying a nighttime serum and moisturizer for day and night. The names on the products typically give you the benefits of the product, but what I'm talking about is trapping in that moisture. The more hydrated your skin is, the less likely it is to show fine lines and wrinkles. Remember, when choosing your perfect skincare, choose something perfect for your budget, but looking for keywords as anti-aging, firming, lifting, tightening, tucking, pulling. That's the product that you want. Let's move on to my second favorite beauty hack. As an added bonus, when you're applying your makeup, you want to make sure that your skin is as wet as possible. I know, gone are the days that you want your skin to be dry and firm. Honey, throw that primer away. It is not your friend. After you hit over the age of 40, your skin is not going to be as supple as it once was. So what exactly are you priming? Throw that primer away. The skin is already dry enough. If you've already gone on and you've gone about your day before you apply your product, you want to re-emulsify your skin, which means if that is applying another layer of your moisturizer, go ahead. It won't hurt. But one of my favorite beauty hacks is to make sure my skin is very, very wet, so I drench it with a refreshing skin mist. Now that my skin is extremely wet, I don't want to pat it. I want to move on to underpainting. Yes, underpainting. Just think of this step like refurbishing old furniture. You're not going to just lay a fresh coat of paint over it before you scrape it, spackle it, smooth it out, right? Let's do the same thing to our face before we put that nice varnish over top. Let's get started. Places that you want to appear brighter, places that you want to appear darker, places that you want to remove hyperpigmentation, scarring. Do all of that before you put that nice varnish or foundation over top. Therefore, the skin is going to look a lot more natural. It's going to reflect light better, and you're going to have an overall better radiant look. Notice I sprayed my brushes during application, and I did respray my face to make sure that nothing is starting to settle before I get that perfect blend. Now, this next step is going to completely blow your mind. We're going to throw powders away. What did you say, Kiani? What did you just say? Skin over 40, I've already mentioned, is already dry. So we're going to try to trick the skin to hold the makeup without so many products, okay? That means that you're going to choose a mattifying foundation. What? Why am I choosing a mattifying foundation? Because it typically dries into a powder, which eliminates primer and powder. Hello? Fourth beauty hack. Let's get started. Choosing a foundation that matches your neck, that is going to completely blend down into a powder, and you only need a little bit. And again, I'm going to use my favorite application tool of a makeup brush, not a sponge. I want to blend this foundation all the way over this beautiful underpainting we've done to create the most flawless canvas possible. Now, I know there were several of you that when I mentioned throw your powders away were like, okay, she is really not going to be able to pull this off. But what I really meant, your all over face powder. Your foundation, again, is going to set into a powder, so the places that you are applying that might be a little bit more powdery are going to have color. Let me show you what I mean. Something like RCMA powder to set underneath the eye area. Very, very specific, very, very targeted. Because no one wants a creasing concealer. And yes, we are going to hang on to our blush and highlight. Usually they're in powder forms as well. They're going to set that cheek area and give you an amazing, amazing glow, because remember, your foundation is still drying. It's going to hold that powder just right and give you that amazing, amazing glow. Ready for another beauty hack to blow your mind? We're going to throw away our eyeliners, and we're definitely going to throw away our bottom mascara. We're going to focus on the top to make everything look nice and lifted, so therefore we don't have to worry about any smudging or smearing as the day progresses. Let's get started. To do this, I'm going to grab lash primer. I want to create the maximum amount of volume for my top lashes, and for those of us that have stigmatisms and can't quite see all of those lashes, this lash primer, by using white, is going to allow you to see the lashes you forgot you had. And then I'm going to grab a mascara that's designed for lengthening and thickening all at one time. Last top 5 beauty hack for skin over 40 is using a liquid lipstick as your liner. And this is the time for you all to run outside of the line, because you know that this liquid lipstick is not going to budge, and it gives you the most amount of pucker for your buck. Let me show you how. Using your actual lip line as the guide to dance just below that lip line to expand your pucker. There's not a thing wrong with it. It's the plumpest part of your face, so therefore it detracts from any fine lines and wrinkles that have settled in over time. So, using the point, dancing just below the lip line. Using the applicator, it's going to hold the least amount of product, perfect for application and control. I'm just going to apply a little bit of a liquid metallic to make it appear like a gloss, to keep the same thing going. And once that settles down, I'm going to add a little bit of a gloss right over top. Careful not to dislodge the liquid matte, but to give you the perfect amount of pucker. And just to make sure everything is nice and set, use your perfect setting spray. Tap it all in with care. And there you have my top 5 beauty hacks for skin over 40. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Give it 2 thumbs up. Comment down below what was your favorite beauty hack that I offered you all in this video. You have some hidden jewels of your own? Comment down below. You guys know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.